This is the Algo Futures Trader Weekly Market Roundup, and this is the MES, the S&P Micro Contract. This system is right out of the box. This is a opening morning breakout strategy that's programmed. The trades that I'm going to show you here are the trades that the software took without any discretion, without any filters other than the traffic light filter you see here below. I'll explain that in just a second. But the premise is basically we have a no trade zone here. That's this kind of blue shaded area. And we want to see the market breaking out of that zone before the software will look to take a trade. Now there are some other ingredients there. You see this kind of thick blue dash dotted line here. That's the volume weighted price average, the VWAP. And so it's got to break out of the USAR here. That's, you've got these kind of blue little triangles below price if the trend is up. If the short-term trend is down, you see the red above price here. So they got to be breaking out of that no trade zone and some of those other things. And the traffic light filter accounts for all of that, making sure that the it is in fact breaking out of all those aspects, and then it's going to send the signal to the software to execute the trades. And here you can see you can turn automatic trading on or off. If it's set to on, the software is just going to check the one filter that we have here and initiate trades based on those breakouts. Now the standard template that comes right out of the box, ready to go, is trading a 3 micro lots. And again, you can use this software. You can download it for free. You can use it in sim mode as long as you want for free. Right? Only when you've tested it, you've developed a strategy, you're using whatever filters you're going to use with this, you can then subscribe or to a monthly plan, or you can purchase the software and trade live. Okay, so part of the pre-built template will include obviously the entries, also the initial stop, the initial targets, and also a trailing stop feature, which is very, very neat. It was programmed, all of this was programmed by a hedge fund trader that trades this strategy on a bigger picture, and he basically created this for day trading and trading that opening morning breakout. All right, so let's get into, this is last week's trades. This is Monday of last week. And again, this is the MES, the micro future ES. And we had a morning breakout on Monday, right out of the box, basically. 2 contracts were taken off at the first target, and then the second target was reached. And that was a total profit of $166 on trading a 3-lot micro. All right, so that was Monday. Nice, easy. We don't typically like, at least I personally don't like, trading the ES and the breakout. And one of the reasons is what you see here on Tuesday. So you see how compressed everything got. Price did, break out of briefly the no trade zone, but didn't go anywhere. Didn't get any follow through. There's not a lot of range with the S&P. You really got to catch it right to make money with that. So this was minus 130 this particular day. All right, this would be Wednesday. Now Wednesday we got an initial move. Again, we broke out of that no trade zone here, that blue shaded area. You can see the traffic light filter was all in agreement, sent the signal to the software. It was able to get 2 contracts off at the first target, and then close basically was at the end of the day. And this would be Thursday. So that was a $64 profit on that day. Thursday here, you can see the only trade to be taken was to the short side. So it broke out early to the short side and was able to get the 2 contracts off, and then stopped on the final contract here at 44.8150. All right, so that was on a trailing stop, $41 profit that day. And then Friday, all right, Friday things really got going because of the Fed meeting. And here's Friday's action here. So Friday, again, The breakout initially was to the long side, and that was right at 10 o'clock, basically, when the Fed started speaking. Got a little pullback during that period, but again, the initial stop would be on the other side of the no trade zone here. And then price really got moving, and the first target was reached, and then profit target 2 was hit up here. And that was a nice $122 profit on 3 microlots. All right, so that's a net profit for the week of about $265 trading 3 microlots in the micro ES. Now, this opening morning breakout template that comes with the software is a starting point. All right, there's a lot more information that you can get if you check below the video. There's a getting started link. There's a link to join our Discord server where you get a ton of information from economic data to trader education. I have a link in there. You can follow me during the mornings. I like to look at the gaps in the morning to kind of filter, which direction that the market may be moving in early in the morning. That will be potentially filling those gaps and maybe avoiding trades that are going to go against that. All right, but there's a ton of information there that you can get, and it is free. So get started below for free. Check us out in the Discord server, and we'll see you there. Have a great trading week, everybody.